Hello and welcome to Polystitch English channel. Here I show DIYs on how to create wonderful household items from fabric scraps. The holiday season is approaching, and when you're a needlewoman, the whole family is waiting for some presents, handmade ones. For work, we need a CD and 2 pieces of fabric. One piece of fabric is twice the diameter of the CD. I have already gathered it along the edge on a thread. And here is the second piece of fabric. I also made a jar. This is a plastic jar. I cut off the bottom with a hot knife and prepared some hollow fiber. The next step of work. We place the disc inside our circle, tighten the thread and sew. We do the same with the jar box. That's what it looks like. And after that we start assembling. We place the box part in the center and hem with hidden stitches. After we sewed, we got such a wonderful hat. Now it's time to decorate it. For this, I took a ribbon. I seared the ends on both sides over the fire. Simply close the junction with this ribbon. You can just tie it in a bow, but I'm still going to stitch it up. The ribbon is sewn on, and you can process to further decoration. It just depends on your imagination and on materials that you have. For example, you can make roses from ribbons or add some decorative elements. But I found this artificial flower, and I'll probably put it on here. And then there are some decorative elements. Have a look at this beautiful piece. Have you guessed what it is for? I remember the joke when a woman comes to a hat shop and asks a master to sell her such a hat that all women would envy and all men fall in love. The craftsman takes her own hat and decorates it with a ribbon so cleverly that it becomes the most beautiful hat in the world. And the admired woman asks, "How much is that?" The master says, $50. And the woman is indignant. "How so? $50? For a ribbon?" Then the master takes the hat and pulls out this ribbon. He gives the hat back to the lady. He also gives away the ribbon. And he says, "And you can take the ribbon for free." You might have already guessed that we got a wonderful needle bed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like and comment this video. See you in the next episode.